Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Workshop for All. In my previous class I dealt with conjunction and its types. Mainly there are two types of conjunctions, coordinate conjunction and subordinate conjunction, and gave you some hints regarding the third type, that is correlative conjunction. What is correlative conjunction? That means a conjunction which is in pair, which is used in pair, is correlative conjunction. It may be coordinate conjunction or subordinate conjunction. For example, either or, neither nor, both dash dash and, so dash dash that, although dash dash yet, whether dash dash or, so dash dash as, not only but also, as dash as, such dash as, hardly dash when, scarcely dash when, scarcely dash before, no sooner dash than. And out of this, I'm going to take here some of them. Either or. This conjunction, either or, is a correlative conjunction and it is used to express a choice of two alternatives. It refers to one out of two. For example, Sita is either mad or clever. Raju is either a singer or player. This type of conjunction can be used to show the involvement of one man in two actions or two men in one action, or one quality of which only one can be attributed to him, or two persons involved in one action or one quality. It has got two structures. Structure number one person, two qualities or actions. Its structure is subject plus verb or helping verb plus either plus quality 1 or action 1 plus or plus quality 2 or action 2. Its example may be, you may cite an example like Ram likes either tea or Ram is either intelligent or mad. Sita is either mad or clever. All these are examples of structure 1. Then structure 2, that means two persons and one quality or action. Either, at the beginning it comes either, then subject 1 or subject 2, then verb or helping verb, then quality 1 or action. Quality or action. For example, either Ram or Shyam has broken the window. Mark here, in such cases, the verb always agrees with the second subject. The verb always agrees with the second subject. Whether, suppose the first subject may be first person, the second subject may be third person, so the verb will agree according to the second subject. Either or can be used when the persons are only two. That means there is a choice of only two persons. If there are more than two, we do not use either dash dash or. Next one is neither dash dash nor. It is the negative of either or. It means not one or the other of the two. Here one thing is to be remembered. This conjunction is used in negative sense. It tells us that of the two subjects mentioned, the action or quality described in the second, the action in the sentence concern neither the first nor the second. When two subjects are joined by neither nor, in the first case, one person, two qualities or action. In the second structure, two persons or one quality plus one quality or action. So when two subjects are joined by neither nor, the verb must agree with the second subject. Next is neither nor can be used with only two subjects like either or. If the subjects are more than two, this pair of conjunction cannot be used. Next is this pair of conjunctions can be used to show non-involvement of one man in the given two actions, qualities, or non-involvement of two persons in one action or quality. So these are the two structures. Structure 1, one person, two qualities or action. That means here the structure would be subject plus verb or helping verb. Then neither plus quality 1 or action 1, nor plus quality 2, action 2. And its example is Mohan is neither intelligent nor active. Mohan is neither intelligent nor active. He can neither read nor write. Then structure 2, two persons, one quality, two persons and one quality or action. In this case, neither comes at the beginning as we saw it in structure 2 of either or. Neither plus subject plus nor plus subject 2 plus verb or helping verb, then quality or action. For example, neither Rita nor Sita has broken the glass. Here one thing is to be marked. While taking structure 2, it should be kept in mind that two verbs must agree with the second subject. The verb must agree with the second subject. In exceptional cases, neither can be replaced by do or does not. In that case, both the clauses must have do or does, otherwise the sentence will be wrong. And its structure is subject plus do or does not plus quality 1 or action 1, nor do or does plus subject quality 2 or action 2. He does not smoke nor does he drink. He does not smoke nor does he drink. So the third one is both dash dash and. Both dash and is also a correlative conjunction, and it should be placed immediately before the word or words that it refers to. For example, both India and Nepal are friends. Another example is he is both diligent and intelligent. That means it is placed immediately before the word or words that it refers to. And next one is although, yet. This conjunction is used to express two contrary qualities or actions of a subject. It is always followed by yet, and its structure is although plus subject plus verb, helping verb plus quality plus yet plus subject plus verb or helping verb, then quality 2. For example, although he is poor, yet he is happy. Here, remember one thing, instead of although, we can use though also. Though he is poor, yet he is happy. And the last one is not only dash dash but also. This conjunction is used to express either two qualities of one subject or a common quality of two subjects, and its structure is one person, two qualities, subject plus verb or helping verb plus not only plus quality 1 or action 1 but also quality 2 or action 2. For example, Ram is not only handsome but also intelligent, and the second structure is two persons, one quality or action, and its structure is not only at the beginning it is coming, not only is coming at the beginning, plus subject 1 but also subject 2 plus V verb or helping verb, then quality or action. Example is not only Ram but also Sham is poor. So these were the 5 conjunctions, and these are all correlative conjunction. In my next class, I shall be dealing with conjunctional phrases. Thank you very much.